and elevator horn. I shall use some of this plywood from one of those little wood construction kits. Just cut the corners off and use them, I think. That's the general idea. Drill some holes in them. I've mentioned a couple of times that I'm using the spars from cheap plastic kites, so I thought I'd better open one and show you what I mean. What we're talking about. It's a rather nice fiberglass spar. There's one long one and a couple more short ones. So that's what I've been using. Obviously you could go and buy the proper push rods if you have a convenient model shop nearby. This is our fiberglass spar from the cheap kite. Bent paper clip, wired onto the end and then sealed on with 2-pack epoxy. So that's our push rod. Everything in place, ready for first test flight. So servo, receiver, LiPo. That's actually a brushed ESC there, but I'm just using it to step the 2S power down to 5 volts for the receiver. And then on the other side another servo and a popsicle stick. That's to provide strengthening for that plastic strap that's holding the LiPo in place. There's also Velcro under there, so the Velcro holds it in place and the plastic strap stops it falling off when it hits the ground. And at the back, elevator horn, rudder horn, those fiberglass spars. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's actually a little plastic tube hot glued to the side of the fuselage there to stop it flexing around too much, to stop the spar push rod flexing around too much. Same on that side. So I'm not sure if the camera will focus on it. So we need to go and throw it and see what it does. All up together, we'll just give it a test glide across the garden with everything in place. Unfortunately, the wind is in the wrong direction. but that looked nice and flat, so that'll do. We'll have to take it somewhere else.